Religion in the past has not been perfect. It has not been this institution that just came out to be very, very perfect. Even though we have claims that it is coming from God and God this and God that, religion has never been a perfect belief system, especially Christianity or Islam. Now, religion, being what it is today, came from series and series of reforms. There was a time whereby it was only the priests that were able to read the Bible. If you were not a priest and you read the Bible, they are going to literally take you off. Now it's now got to a point where they reformed it, and even if you're not a priest, fine, you can read the Bible. Then they now told women should not read the Bible. If you were a woman and you read the Bible, they would take you off. You get, so it went through series and series of religious reform before it became what it is today. If we could even look at the Spanish Inquisition, we don't look at what happened in Ghana, how they were forcing people to convert. They'll keep them in a dark room and force them to convert. If you don't convert, they will not give you food until you convert. So many people died because of the conquest of Christianity, the conquest of religion. Now, when the modern day Onibo, the modern day African or Nigerian or Igbo man, that's my major focus, when they want to talk about religion, they paint it in a light that makes it to be devoid of sin or devoid of any form of ill treatment to other people. But people that actually read about the history of Christianity are quite aware that it has a very, very dark part. Now, it is now troubling that when you're not presenting this argument to a religious individual, to a Nigerian or to an Igbo Christian, they would easily forgive the white man for the ills or for the harms they committed in the name of religion and God. But when you now talk to that person, oh, what about your ancestors? They begin to give you reasons and myriads of reasons why they never want to participate in Igbo traditional spirituality. They'll tell, oh, your ancestors participated in human sacrifices and they did this and they did that. But then, while they were for they were they while they were forgiving this European and the crimes that they committed in the name of God and religion, these same Igbo people have refused to forgive their own ancestors. That is a terrible logic. And that's a terrible mindset, rather. That's a terrible mindset that we need to look into.